Yo guys, what is up? Boy here back with another video. So today is actually won't be released until Monday, so hopefully soon, right? So today, as you can tell, I'm in a semi. I can't buy it. Oops. I am actually renting it from my friend. So he's very kind for me to use it. I put about at least 80 miles on this thing already. But I've been doing some jobs lately, and yeah. Honestly, I'm back down to 6,000. But it ain't gonna stop me from doing jobs. I love doing them. This truck is crazy. Fully loaded, but crazy. Sheesh. But yeah, I've been going crazy with it. As you can see, this thing here went through some snow, and honestly, best truck I can ever drive. Watch. Nothing would probably stop this thing. So yeah, it's fully loaded. Let me sit up because I think I got my hand tired. Feeling numb. But yeah, we are going to do our first mission. There was usually 10, but I was like, I don't know. I'm gonna do more than 10. So how far are we going? Okay. So as you can see, the trailer just flipped. It's easy to recover. So I'm up on to the side here. I don't want the truck to get damaged. She needs to get cleaned up, but overall, yeah, pretty much. Just been getting stuff ready to bubble. Okay, release. There it is. Now, some people, when they were doing the truck driving on here, they said that it was hard. Really? Well, let's see about that. Some people are way better. Some people need to get lessons. It's not easy to back up to a trailer. Especially if you're good at it. Just like that. Go. Now, when you're steering the truck, the trailer goes wild. I mean, when I slow down and do the turns, this trailer flips out like crazy. I don't know why. It just does. Like, for example, I'm just going 89 miles an hour. So I'll slow down. Excuse me. Whoa. Since when did I get 36,000? Oh yeah, that's right. I just now realized. But right now I'm going 80, which is 79. It still doesn't go full bore, but I can go faster on this because it's a long straight road. So as you can see, we got, to me it looks like we got this TV, which is insane. My truck's on autopilot, by the way. Needs fuel. But the only problem is with these trucks is one, it's only one, two. So when see, oh, no fuel, just ran out. Hang on, I got this. Ah, no! No need to worry. Can't believe it's expensive. The truck's not even on, guys, and it's going. Oh, there we go. Are we still hooked on? Nope. Oops. My bad. We'll make it though. Just gotta make sure the trailer is good to go. Alrighty. Alright. They need to make more semis. Honestly. More semis, the cheaper. So you can actually work. The more better it gets. So, as you can tell, the gas is full, right? Now, the dash ain't accurate, but it's only because the speed and this and on the dash is not accurate enough, so it'll be fixed soon, I hope. And hopefully the I would like to have a normal truck horn. But yeah, I'm assuming that they're gonna update this soon. I'm not sure. But it's pretty crazy. I mean, you guys can hear the trailer, can't you? Yeah. As soon as you move to 55 miles an hour, this thing just goes. But I wish that it's not like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, all the way up to, see the max. No, The max. Oh, I saved it. No, I want to see something here. So the max is 640. Or not. Oh, I see. Stop. Get back up. Now, I would say when you're wanting to work to be a truck driver, I would assume that this here, I believe that this truck here can do a lot more better than any other trucks out there. Seriously. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you. But that still doesn't, you know, give you right. So, now with this truck I can go faster. But with the trailer on the back, it'll just zigzag. Because it's not meant to go fast, I guess. Oops. Wrong road. I don't need fuel, just need to get the truck fixed. And yeah, sometimes he does call me out on it. Bella, you're wrecking my truck, boy. I'm using it, not you. It's one way of getting fired. That's for sure. Now my best ways of getting out of here is through that tunnel. Let's go to that. 150. Whee! Wait. No, it's not. I'll have to turn around here. Almost at 70 miles. I'll show you guys what highway I go on just to go to that, it's not really a new town, but it's more of a snowy town. I like it, actually. I can actually drift in this truck. Should I probably do it? No. It's not my truck, but shh. Don't tell anybody. How can you drift a semi? Well, honestly, I can give you tips and tricks of how to do it. It's pretty cool, actually, you know? Sometimes you hit something, sometimes you don't. I should know this road by now. Like, I went down this thing millions of times. I'm not even going to full speed. But I need to slow down. You know what? I'll slow down like this. So, rear. There. So what you want to do, since you have a semi-truck, make sure your truck is like mine. 10-10. Okay? Now you heard that. Watch this. And the tires are not even warmed up yet. Dang it. Oh well. Yeah, the tires are not warmed up yet. They're a little bit. 65. They're almost there. That's pretty stupid. I'm gonna do a U-turn and you'll see what I'm saying. This thing ain't wanting to slide, brother. Oops. Don't tell him. I'm not actually meaning to. I have traction control off. Tires are almost warmed up. This is what I'm talking about right here. People won't know exactly what this is. I think that's stupid. That's how accidents happen. Well, the thing is, the reason why your truck's not drifting is because, for one, you don't have drift mode on. Well, that's not the case. You see snow and ice. You don't need drift mode. I'm trying to save up for Porsche 911. That's all what YouTubers want nowadays. But me, nah. No. Come on. They're getting colder because of weather. Drift mode a little bit. Nice. No, you don't need drift mode on this. Is it hard to control it? Sometimes. Just depends. Whee! That was cool. I've never done that before. Especially in a big vehicle. I love this area. Whee! Car distance, you're right. It's not a car. Well, yeah, I guess it is. But I'm also just having fun in the snow. Comment down below if you guys would live in this city that's always snowy and having fun. Me? Definitely. Oops. It says no parking. Well, it didn't say there was a crashing sign. And that dude. Now, if you guys want to get a semi, I would recommend this one. This is so easy. Ooh. Drifting a semi is awesome. But I don't have to put drift mode on just to drift. That was cool. Going around that corner. Honestly, it sometimes amazes me. But like, you know, I ain't crashing. Not yet. Now, rear wheel. Well, that's because the stabilization was on. But that has nothing to do with it, though. I can tell a difference. Honestly, drift mode's a lot easier. Good parking. No! I'm not being like Joji at all. He doesn't play these type. I don't think anyway. Plus, trying to do it with the semi truck is kind of impossible to do on there. Especially if you don't have like all these settings here to control the vehicle. No! Hey, that was without the gas this time. Let's see if I can do it again. No! Let's go full bore. Yeah, I can't really do it if I'm not in first person. I can't really do it. I gotta be in first person to do it. I think it's because the angle. Ah, man. Yeah, I think it's because the angle that I was made it to where it was kind of difficult to do. This angle here, I could do better. But, you know, sometimes you're like, well, I've done an angle, but I don't know if it's going to do anything. Yeah, watch this. See if we can do it at this corner here. Whee! Oh, that was not a 360. Honey, I'm home. Oops. Back down too wide. Where's the cop when you need it? Breaking the law here. Oh, that was cool. Wow, that's the strongest garbage can ever. No. Earlier, I didn't even need to have drift control on or off. Alright, yeah, I guess it's on. I'm really good, almost really good at this. I gotta do more practicing. Whee! Drift hard. Some of these posts are strong. I mean, of course, they're in the ground, but they could be bent really easy. Watch me yank the steering wheel. Okay, I think I have had it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.